So ngayon guys, magre-ready tayo kasi plano namin ni Tami magpunta sa Walmart. So Walmart, mag-grocery na naman, mag-shopping, iwan ko kung ano yung mga kukunin namin, bibilhin. I think alam ko na yung bibilhin ko pala. Meron siyang mga gustong bilhin din. So ngayon, nagre-ready lang ako of course, early in the morning. So ito yung mga kaganapan. Dire-diretso na tayo, toothbrush. Yun yung lang gamit ko guys kapag maghilamos ako. Wala na akong ibang gamit, moisturizer lang. And then yung safeguard na sabon yun. I swear, we've been through anything there is. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do through the years. O diba, mahilig kumanta, pakanta-kanta lang. So ngayon guys, moisturizer tayo para hindi laging dry yung mukha. And then L'Oreal yung may SPF 15 para protection sa mukha din. Kasi yung mukha ko is kailangang protectionan kasi mas pangit na, mas lalong papangit pa. So ngayon punta tayo sa taas. Nagano lang naman ako guys, nagre-ready. Konting ano lang siya, kaunting kilay. Kasi kapag walang kilay guys, pangit yung kilay ko guys, kailangan kong kilayan. And then after that, naglagay ako ng konting foundation para naman may kaunting ano yung mukha natin, o diba? Makabear yung mga dark spots ng mukha natin. May dark spots talaga. So yun guys, ready lang tayo sa pag-grocery with Tami. Kasi gusto talaga niyang sumama guys. So kailangan niyang sumama. Sabi ko, takot akong sumama siya. Alam niyo bakit? Marami siyang, alam nyo naman yan, marami siyang bibilhin at saka mga bumibili ng hindi naman kailangan. Makikita niyo yan. So yun, naglagay na ako ng foundation para naman, okay yung mukha natin tignan. Kasi kakaiba talaga kapag may konting foundation. Hindi naman marami kasi pangit din kapag sobra kasi ano siya, para siyang yuta nga na uga, yung lupa na sobrang uga na.
You make these stories up.
What did you just say?
You make these stories up.
I didn't.
Oh,
No.
This is why I couldn't find my screwdriver. I can't find the screwdriver in the house because you have it in your car. It turns out the one in my car is just similar. It's not even
You
the same.
gave it to me, Tommy. Don't blame me. You gave it to me, so I have to
said
just.
it. This looks like
I
in my
don't.
house. I don't know why it would be in my car.
I don't
And you
even
said,
know.
oh, that's why I can't find the other one. You can't find
Did
the
you
one.
find the other one?
It's right in the drawer where it always is.
So next time, don't give me anything that you think is from inside, okay?
No, but don't lie to me and say I've been looking for it.
Because I did. When we do something, what did we do?
I don't know.
No, the one that fire pit. That's the one. You can't find it. Yes, and then you
You're using
said
it on the fire pit.
no. You're using the one that they give you.
Hanap tayo ng flats guys. Yung for baby. Naghanap para pang bata. Pang batahan. I think woman is here. This one right here. Right. This one right here. Which one? I'm talking about like kind of like sandal ears. Hanap ako ng parang sandal ba? Flat siya pero mahaba-haba. Like this What size are you? 6?
You know, try it on. Try it on. Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a swimming thing.
Yeah, that's what it is. Well, good for garden, I would think.
Garden? Serious?
I don't know what you're looking for. I know you're supposed to look for something to replace your shoes that are no good, but you're not looking.
Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Tami! Ang tagal. Come on. Sabi ko follow the leader. Hindi mo nag-follow. Crunchies. Oh, this is $3. 5. Can I get 3 of this? Yeah. No, because 3 people, Han. 3 people. The same thing, that's wrong. And but this is separate pay, huh? She's useless. Oh, what's Spam.
That's what I'm saying. Compare to what you get.
Two packs.
It's a spam, single slice.
And you open it and there is one slice of spam.
Right.
This is weird. How much? That's expensive.
$37. Well, you figure how much it's 2.5 ounces. How much is a can? A can is 12 ounces, so yeah.
So, ito yung sa kanya bili. Ito yung sa akin para giveaway po.
So you don't even walk into them.
Where is it? The one that Andrea said. Turkey. Ito guys, masarap to breakfast pa. Turkey. Okay na. Pauwi na kami guys. Diyan tignan nyo na yan guys. Okay sir. Keep doing sir.
Give them all these. You would get a variety.
Variety?
I like those, but I would have got a variety. I would have got some nuggets.
Nuggets.
Yeah.
I'm curious how many it's inside.
Say in the box.
4.
10.
10? Well, we're good.
They're little skinny, tiny things.
That's the same thing with Andrea, right? No, it's different.
No, same one.
Same?
Brown and serve. See brown serve? Same brand I buy.
Masarap ito guys, turkey look. Masarap ito. I-brown nyo lang siya.
Already cooked. Brown and serve. That's why they call brown serve.
That's how ito Andito kami ngayon sa Adams guys. And look, bumili kami ng pagkain. Yan. Bili lang tayo ng mga gulay. Gulay at saka mga iba't ibang maganda dito sa Adams kasi marami silang mga Hello, tignan nyo tong isa. Tignan nyo tong isa. Hello. What what is that? Huh? Ah, you like that. Look, Han. No. I know. Seriously, that's for that's
It's
for
not to grow.
that's not for seasoning.
No, it shouldn't.
No, that's for the small plants. So anyway guys, so ngayon bibili tayo ng mga halaman sa garden. Samahan niyo ko. Sa garden lang tayo. Punta tayong garden. So, okay, kasama ko si Mister. May pagkain na siya. So guys, samahan niyo ako guys. Bili tayo. Sana meron silang mga gulay. Oh my God. Wala silang mga gulay. Let's see. Ang ganda dito, oh. Ang ganda dito. Oh, sana meron silang gulay. Eggplant. Eggplant yung hinahanap ko eh. Eggplant. Oh, it's right here. This one right here. This one. Oh, this is the classic eggplant. Oh. Look.
Like that?
Yep.
Oh, you got it, but
The other one died.
it died already?
No, because I planted early. I'm looking for the Japanese one too.
Oh, it should be close by.
Oh, this one is dying. What is this? Hold on. Perennial pala ito. Oh. No, that's not perennial. Hey, that's not cut grass. Oh, where is catnip? No, they don't eat that. No, that's the one they don't eat. That's organic. No, but that's the one they don't eat. What, you gonna buy it because that's what they got? No, seriously. Anyway guys, so let's go. Wala silang kaano dito. This is annual over here. Annual pala ito, Han. This is herbs. Ha? So okay, what is this here? Oh, this I have
Cherry
some.
peppers.
Yeah, I have this.
Peppers, I'll say peppers.
Yeah, I have this. This is yeah. This. Oh my goodness. Naloka ako nitong isa dito, guys. Ala, oh, this is the one, the lavender I'm looking for. Ito yan siya. Mustard. How much is this? $4? I got some of this already, but I need more for the front. Right here.
Okay, then.
$4.
Do the strawberries.
What? Oh, yeah. Okay, dito tayo sa mga bulaklakin. Halalamin. Look. Dito. I look over here. Oh. You supposedly it's right here, no? No, it's not. They don't have it. Ang daming halaman, guys. Oh my God. It's happiness overload. Ang ganda dito. Oh, this one is really good. Oh. Ito, maganda ito. Oh. Oh my God. $25. Ang mahal naman. Ito din, maganda ito. $20. Kakain kami. Ang layo nyo. Bumili kami ng ano doon sa asan kami bumili? 2 o'clock na. Uy, ano bang kakainin ko? Tignan muna natin si Kami. Nakabili kami. Sa ngayon, maghugas muna tayo ng kamay kasi. Okay, tell me what do you want to eat first? Hindi pala naka-record. Ang sarap, guys. Meron kaming kinuha na pagkain doon sa tindahan, look. Ang sarap niya. Hello? You have good food, hon?
So I've been told.
Hmm?
So I heard.
Who told you?
A lot of people told me.
The onion rings is good. It's so tasty. Ang sarap niyo. Oh my God. And the ravioli also is, Tommy like ravioli. Diba? Put salt in it.
Yeah.
Chicken. Oh my God, this is good. What's in here?
It was supposed to be cheese, mostly empty.
But there's cheese, right?
You're barely any.
I'm curious how much is this for this?
$10.
$10 for this?
Hmm?
And how much is that?
I don't know. That was like
Yeah.
$9.90 or $8.90. I don't know. Just remembering that, but
They put bacon na. Bacon and meat. And that's paper, the black one.
try it.
No. The chicken is good, love. Simple, fried. It's so good. Try this one, honey. You would love it, honey. Try this first, honey. It's so freaking good, hala. Oh my God. They are good. Well, I know where to get to do food. A lot of people love to do come here from work to get some food ready to eat, right? I see some people it's lunchtime. Past lunch already. Sarap. Sarap.
It's pretty good. You try.
Where should I put the bun? At nag-voice over na naman tayo. Andito ako sa living room ko. Meron kayong naririnig, guys, dahil andito yung asawa ko, maingay, and then my TV. So ngayon nagluluto lang ako para naman maging masaya si Mr. Tamimoy. So lutuin natin yung itong paborito niyang gulay na sobrang mapait. Mapait po itong gulay na ito, itong dahon na to. And also naglilinis po ako ngayon ng potato. Oh my God, ang ingay ni Tami. I'm doing voice over right here so you don't talk. Okay, be quiet. So ngayon guys, itong potato guys, kinakat ko lang siya and then ibibig ko siya for 400 degree hanggang maluto siya. Uwi lang at saka seasoning yun na siya bites na halo-haloin para maging masarap. May salt, may paminta, may garlic and onion powder. And yun, ilagay natin sa oven. And then yun na siya guys. I-check lang yun yung. Yung asawa ko gusto niya yung crunchy. What the heck are you doing? You're not allowed here. Get out, get out. Get out. Get out. Get out, get out. Hey, get out, get out. Habs, get out. This is not for you, huy. Gahit man yung kag ulo, uy. Nimbalik ang kigwa. Alam nyo guys, kilala ko na tong mister ko. Kapag may pakanta-kantayan siya, ibig sabihin niya masaya siya sa mga nangyayari sa bahay. Like, nagluluto ako. Kapag nagluluto ako at nakikita niyang paborito niya niluluto ko, yun, pakanta-kantayan. Ganon yan siya guys. Gustong-gusto niya yung ganon. Simpleng kasiyahan lang yun sa asawa ko. Kasi kapag, yun, pag makanta-kanta na siya, may paano, tugtog pa yan, may tugtog, and then siya kanta, ako sayaw, diba? So, ganyan yan siya, ang saya-saya niya. Basta magluluto ka lang, yun, masaya na yan. Basta may pakainin mo lang. Guys, gabi na guys, i-finalize ko lang itong video ko. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung nabili namin yun sa tindahan. So, ngayon gusto ni Tami may parsley, fresh. So, yun si Tami, mahilig yan sa fresh parsley. So, kaya bumili ako dito. Iwan ko ito yung mga ginamit namin, binili namin. But anyway, parsley. Itong talong, anyway, ipakita ko sa inyo ha. Itong talong na ito guys, is tatlong klase po ito. Ito yung ganito, look. Ganito. Classic na talong. 4, 5, 6. Marami tayong talong. And also dito dalawa. Ito dalawa. At saka ito yung Asian Delight. Yun yung sa atin na talong na mataas, mahaba. Mahaba. Ilan ba yung kinuha ko? 1, 2, dalawa. Okay, dalawa. Dalawa po yung kinuha ko. And 3. Grabe, 3 talaga, no? Hala, bakit may maliit? Sinong kumuha ng maliit? Si Tami ba? Dwarf. Oh, ito yung gusto niya, guys. 3 din po yung kinuha niya na itong klaseng talong. Yung, 4 dayo din. 4 yung binili ko na, yung parang sa atin. At saka, yung binili niya is 2 ganito. Yung purple. At saka, of course, bumili ako nito. Munstead na lavender. Munstead, 2. Dinagdagan ko lang yung binili ko. And also, of course, Tami love the strawberries. Kasi gusto niyang mag-strawberry daw siya. So kinuha namin ito kahit, alam nyo na. So, strawberry is yun. Sa container ko ito ilagay. So, yun po guys. Yung mga binili natin kanina doon sa tindahan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo guys. Salamat. Bye guys. Thank you.